Mounting brackets deployed. Alex Madowski, welcome to the Empower Gaming supporter. Thank you for becoming a member. You did not have to do that. Thank you. Hey, Isaac here. Blah, 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 blah. Is RTX 3090 used for $585 a bargain nowadays? It's not a bad price, but if we think about it, and this is me being sarcastic and kind of throwing poop at Nvidia. If you think about it, an RTX 5070 has the same performance as a 4090 at around that same price point. That's sarcasm. Don't listen to that. That's BS. That's literally what Nvidia said live on stage. 5070